don't give up is the best skill. When you don't give up, so the God always stand with you. So this is what I tell every entrepreneur, every startup: you never give up in life. So I never give up. When I launched my first company, I had only 6,000 rupees. So 30 crore ki company we made it, and
Hi folks, today we are back with one more great and leading personality, Dr. K.S. Bhatia, founder and CEO of Pumpcart and Figatal. He is a visionary and a seasoned entrepreneur with 20 years of experience in water pumps industry. In 2014 he disrupted the pumps industry through his B2C marketplace, pumpcart.com. Pumpcart came into limelight when Google CEO Mr. Sundar Pichai cited Pumpcart's success story to the Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi in US. Pumpcart went on to sign Kapil Dev as its brand ambassador. Pumpcart also holds the distinction of being the first startup to represent India in United Nations. Dr. Bhatia is currently on a mission to launch second platform Figatal.com, which is India's first non-essential hyper-local e-commerce. He is committed to create disruption by giving mobiles, electronics, home appliances to the customers in 35 minutes to 2 hours from nearby stores. So, let's begin our talk with our today's guest, Dr. K.S. Bhatia.
First of all, I welcome you to in this session. Thank you so much, sir, for joining and agreeing to share your thoughts with us. We are extremely very happy to have you for today's talk.
thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. It's a pleasure. So, sir, moving to the topic of today's session, or rather say, before moving to the topic of today's session, sir, it's a kind of request to you. Kindly explain our viewers, sir, your journey with Pumpcart. We are really looking to listen it from your voice. It will be our pleasure, sir.
Uh, Pumpcart we started in 2014, and I still remember it was done on the same day when the Prime Minister Modi took a oath, and we came into limelight, after the praise from the Google CEO, when the Prime Minister had gone to US first time. So Pumpcart idea was very niche, basically. Though I was into the same business since long, so then I thought to why not to sell a pumps online. And I still remember when we hiring the people, nobody wanted to join our organization just because nobody was believing that the pumps can be sold online. So, and we really proved it, and there was no player in the world who was doing this, and all the what we are doing in the Google, all the keywords were on the top. The traffic was huge. In a span of 1 year, we brought more than 300 manufacturers across the country in our platform because it was a marketplace. But it became big after the praise from Google CEO. But in 2016, we changed the business model from B2C to B2B because B2C it was not clicking well. The huge, we were burning was very huge, and because the pump was going to the customer, then they are sending it back. The pump is so big, the price is so high. But we thought we should go with B2B model. So when we entered into B2B model, we faced so many difficulties because the existing network of the pump industry were disturbed, so they were routing all the pumps to the retailers to through the dealers, through the wholesaler, through the distributors. And nobody was accepting that, somebody should come in between. Ekdam akhe sara hai, we turned the everything. And all big companies stopped giving the pumps. They said you buy from the distributor and then sell it to the retailers. And that we continued, but we were not making money, we are losing again. So what we done it later, we brought our brands in the market. So when we brought our brands in the market, then nobody was accepting it. No retailer was accepting it because it was a new in the market. So everybody wanted to go with the existing brand. So then we realized we had to do something out of the box. First, what we done it, we brought Kapil Dev as a brand ambassador. So then we started, जो pumps हम बेच रहे थे उनको भी endorse कपिल देव भी कर रहे थे. So it took 1 year to reach that level, and we first time we became profitable in 1780. So things was going well, and in 2019, I don't know what suddenly clicked in mind, because we saw the other B2B players are becoming big, and we thought we should bring other categories too. And we brought electronics, electrical things also in the same platform. But it turned to be wrong because nobody was accepting that the pump retailer will be selling the electronics, TV and all other things. So we somehow we failed there. And this, and we were, we have no other alternative to close that and start focusing only in pumps. But we already brought so many retailers on board. So we thought, let's make one more brand. And, we sell those things, electronics under that brand. So, but it was done so silently. So people should not make fun of that, because we already had done the mistake. So, we don't want, if we fail again, so nobody should come to know about this. So we launched another brand, Phygital. So Phygital was basically, we aim was to be hyper local, physical plus digital. And but somehow the corona turned up, we could not do it. But the corona turned to be blessings for us, So by April, when the shop opened, so nobody had a stock of pumps. And when in 2019 we were selling electronics and all, our concentration, our focus was not there in the pumps that time. So we had huge inventory with us, So हमने वो सारी inventory हमने April, May, June में निकाली. And no retailer, no distributors was having the stock, because entire it was closed and the supply chain was almost closed. So we really made one of brand big, and we sold in 3 months 8,000 pumps in Punjab, Haryana, Himachal, Jammu Kashmir. In 4 states we worked. And in the meantime, what we did we started making, we thought it, now we'll make it big. Pump Card should work as a agri store, and then Phygital will be electronics chain. So Pump Card ko, then we start opening franchisees of Pump Card, and Phygital ke bhi franchisee shuru kar diya humne. So there are some shops, they started buying from us only. Then we started taking other brands also, uh, either buying from the distributors or the dealer, but it was going to the franchisees. So उसी के हिसाब से franchises open हो गए हमारे. And as I told you that Corona turned to be as a blessing for us. And 2 years ago, we approached one of the state. They wanted franchises to be opened in the entire state, and both the brand got selected for that. And because they're looking for the startups, and we and now in the same state we are opening more than 100 stores. So that's what I said, the Corona turned to be very lucky for us. It's a blessing for us. Maybe, people face so many difficulties and all, but we really turned this difficult time into opportunities. We worked hard, and you won't believe it, we had only 3 people left. Because when we are running the company, we had around 30 people working, and most of the people are from outside the Punjab and all. So many people went to their places, and we 3 people left. And we really worked hard, and 3 people really changed everything. So what we wanted to do in 2023 or 24, we did in this time. So now dreams are big. So, and I'm sure we'll be making not one brand big, we'll be making 2 brands big.
All right, sir. It's really great to listen all these things from you, all your journey. It was really very, very inspiring. And I think the viewers, those who are watching this session, they will learn many things from it. And I would like to tell our viewers that Pumpcart is considered as one of the most successful startup of our country. And it is appreciated by the Chief Executive Officer of Google, Mr. Sundar Pichai. And also they are doing a very good, and if you search on Google, they are ranking on the first position. It's really a very, and there's a lot to learn from there. The way they have converted in this Corona time, they have converted crisis into an opportunity. That I think that is the biggest identity of a true entrepreneur. And sir, it was really a very great
so I personally feel that don't give up is the best skill. When you don't give up, so the God always stand with you. So this is what I tell every entrepreneur, every startup: you never give up in life. So I never give up. When I launched my first company, I had only 6,000 rupees. So 30 crore ki company we made it, and you trust me, I closed that company just to make Pumpcart big. When that company was so big, okay, my aim was to make Pumpcart big. It was my brand. When I was working for others, so I can make so big company, I can give profits to others. Why not to make my brand big? So that was the aim. So I've taken so many risks. It's all risk in my life. I was keep on failing all the times, and in this failure I've learned so many things. Execution is, I have seen many startups, I keep reading that they are hiring people. I think it's a bullshit. You cannot execute like this, saying that you are hiring people. You with a team of 3 people and 1 driver, 2 people and 1 driver did more than 3 crore business in 3 months. Okay, 1 driver and 2 people, and one of the CEO and one of their associate director. And we were personally going and meeting the retailers during that time. So it was so difficult for us, and we proved it. It's not that when you have a big team you can do it. When we had so much a big team, we were unable to do it. So it's wrong thing. The people who says when they had a big team they can do wonders. It's all the passion which you have, and when you don't give up.
Indeed, sir. You have mentioned many points, and one which I like the most is that never give up. I think we all need to understand is that our life give always an opportunity, but the thing is that we have to recognize is that we have to recognize that type of opportunities, and we have to always work on it without giving up every time. Sir, my next question to you is, a startup business is always at a high risk. Not even the big entrepreneurs could have avoided certain challenges that their growing business had faced at its upfront stage. So, sir, the question is, what are the biggest challenges that you believe every aspiring entrepreneurs face in his or her initial stages?
See, there's not one challenge. There are so many challenges. When you start it, the first challenge is, when you had an idea, but you don't know how to execute it. Okay, and how big your idea is. I believe in, when you dream it, you should dream big. Many entrepreneurs, dream so, उनका dream बहुत छोटा होता है. That should not be there. I have seen many startup just copy the idea. This thing happened and we'll also do the same thing. So when you don't dream big, you cannot make it big. And I always keep on dreaming big. That's the reason we are making it big now. We were not, now the dream is so big. As I told you that we are opening 100 stores by March, and 21, 22, we are dreaming to open 1,000 stores. If you realize that Reliance Digital don't have even 1,000 stores. Croma doesn't have that much of stores. If you consider both Croma and Reliance Digital, Sargam and Vijay Sales, all four don't have 1,000 stores. Okay, so maybe we have Pump Card as well as Phygital along with 1,000 stores, and we will make it. That will is required, that you can do it. Self-confidence is very important. When many startups don't have the self-confidence, they don't believe it. And many I have seen it, they believe in going in a lift. One should not go in a lift. Stairs, they should prefer going in a stairs. If you have to win, you have to go slow. Slow and steady, you win the race. You can't, you cannot be Flipkart or Amazon in a 2 years or 3 years times. Flipkart को 15 साल लगे वहां पहुंचते हुए, because they started in 2007. Amazon को 25 साल लगे यहाँ पहुंचते हुए. It takes time. You can't say, within a 2 year, 3 years you can reach in that level. There are startups, but मुझे लगता है कि जितनी स्पीड से आप ऊपर जाते हो उतनी स्पीड से नीचे भी आते हो. So up downs are required. You learn from your failures. You when you fail, you learn from there. So that is required. A risk is important. You have to dream big. You have to self-confident. You must take a risk in life. Risk is very important. If you don't take risk, you can't reach in that level. Failures, though, you have to face. You have to face these challenges. Failures तो आएंगे ही आपको, and you have to stand. You don't give up so easily.
Indeed, sir.
So these are the basic challenges. And many startups don't know how to create. Don't go with me. I have done with the 2 people. You can also do it. It's not easy. You need to have a rock solid team with you. If I know from 3 crore to 300 crores, if I say I'll do with the three people. This is not possible. You need to have a rock solid team. Okay, and don't go for hiring immediately. First, step by step you do it, because and sometimes startup get funding and all, immediately they start hiring people. सारा पैसा वही बर्बाद कर देते हैं hiring. So slow and steady, and you have to see everything. Every step has to be taken very cautiously.
Indeed, sir. I think it's a kind of privilege that today we got a chance to listen all these things from you. And I think I strongly believe, not only I think, but I strongly believe that the viewers, those who are watching this session, it will be beneficial for them as well. Sir, my next question to you, sir, I want to know your thoughts. What do you believe? Which one is a good choice, having a killer product, or a good marketing?
Hello?
Having a killer product or having a good marketing strategy?
Yeah. Yes, branding is very important. I still believe if your business is not a brand, it's a commodity. You know, you have to create a brand. Many people, many startup say, we are creating a startup. They should not say like this. They should say we are creating a brand. So when you say you're creating a brand, then you need to have a very out of the box marketing. You should must have a killer product. आज दुनिया में पम्प कार्ड को सब जानते हैं because it was a different model altogether. जो which is the thing which was not possible, one has proved it. आज भी पूरा एग्री जो सेक्टर है अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड है, कोई भी बड़ा प्लेयर नहीं है. And now we are opening so many stores. We didn't find any organized player who will be dealing with as well as online as well as offline. और एग्री और रूरल मार्केटिंग इज बूमिंग. आज कोरोना के टाइम में इंडिया की ग्रोथ हुई है जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द रूरल सेक्टर वाज ग्रोइंग. तो आगे भी फ्यूचर में रूरल सेक्टर विल ग्रो वेरी फास्ट. इंडिया की जीडीपी बढ़ेगी जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द रूरल. सो रूरल सेक्टर हैज टू ग्रो. तो उस पे फोकस करना बड़ा जरूरी है. एंड आई थिंक मेनी स्टार्टअप शुड स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन द रूरल सेक्टर एंड दे ऑटोमेटिक ब्रांडिंग मिलेगी वो.
Very meaningful, sir. Sir, my next question to you, sir, what do you think, how much difficult is to raise funding, and how long does it take?
First of all, I would say the startup should not think of the funding. Okay, this is the wrong feeling they keep in the mind. So that was the reason they are not able to uplift themselves. They should create a very different idea, and then bootstrapping is important. धीरे धीरे करके उसको बड़ा करना. And while if they don't have the money, they should involve some of their friends, relatives and all, instead of going to the investors. So investors like this thing. This is the entrepreneurship skill when you involve people and make it something big. बिना पैसे अपने लगाए आप लोगों से help लेके you create something big. And this is the entrepreneurship. And you just have the idea and go to the investor. Okay, sir, give me the money. I will make it big. So nobody will give you like this. It was a time, then e-commerce was booming. Something different idea was starting up. So investor भी आपका देखता है कि how big you are thinking, at what level you can take it, and how much you understand about the entrepreneurship.
All right, sir. Sir, I have a question from one of my subscriber. Actually, the question is, what are the most important qualities of a startup founder?
I told you earlier, so never give up. So that's the biggest skill any entrepreneur should have. Those who don't give up, they really create something big. And slow and steady, you win the race. Don't go in hurry. And the dream should be very big. If you dream small, I don't think you can create something big. So if you want to create something big, so you have to dream big. And the fourth is self-confidence. That's very important. It was the self-confidence which helped me during Corona time. 1 month sitting idle, zero business, any entrepreneur can die, I'm telling you, if he's a true entrepreneur. I'm not the person who can sit at home. Even the Sunday is very difficult for me to sitting at home. And you have to sit for a month or more than a month just watching a TV and all. One cannot. So that was the self-confidence. हमारा भी time आएगा, एक दिन आएगा. So that is required. So एक entrepreneur को वो होना चाहिए self-confidence. Yes, I can do it once.
Absolutely, sir.
I will do it one day. Yeah.
Very inspiring, sir. I think the viewers, those who are watching this session, of course, they get very much inspired. Even I am learning many things from you, sir. Sir, I have a next question, which is again from one of my subscriber. Actually, the question is, many people, what we have seen is that we have seen many startup founders started their venture in their college days. Even also we have seen that they have left their college, drop out, take a dropout. And also in other case we have seen that some people believe that let's work for different organization and then take some experience, then we will start our own venture. So sir, he is seeking your advice. What do you think, what do you believe, which one is best choice?
See, if you are very self-confident person, if you have that confidence, you can start from the college. I did the same thing, in 98, in 88, I went to the college, engineering college. I started my venture. What I was doing was totally different. I was selling. I've seen the city I was there. They need the sweaters, they need the shawls and all, and I was selling those things. So self-confidence is important. If you have that passion and the self-confidence, you can do it from the college. And many people has made it big. You have example of Facebook that started from the college. And if you feel you are not experienced, you are lacking of confidence, you want to make it, you have a dream, but you are lack of confidence, then you work with the startup. Then you work for some time with the startup. And instead, in case you want to be entrepreneur, don't work with any corporate. They will kill your entrepreneur skill. Never work with any corporate. This is my advice to who want to be entrepreneur. They will kill your entrepreneurship skill.
Again sir, I must say the kind of energy you have, it is really very very inspiring for all of us. And I must say, I again have to say
One more skill that you said, energy is very important. That's the biggest skill. Energy. You need to have so much energy to make it big. Chase your dreams with your energy. That is very important.
Indeed, sir. Sir, my next question to you, what can be the role of innovation and technology on entrepreneurship, especially in developing countries like India?
Innovation is very important. I missed it. You asked me question, what are the things to be required to be successful entrepreneur? You have to do something out of the box. So when you say out of the box, so innovation comes. So when you don't do anything out of the box, when you don't innovate anything, you won't be that successful. So Pumpcart was why Sundar Pichai was, many people ask me, you might be knowing somebody, you might have approached through someone, some political party, anything, all bullshit people are talking. It's just one word that we did differently. What other people could not do it. It's the innovation, Innovation means you are doing something different. You are educating people. No, आज भी लोग पानी के pumps. Who goes to the market and buying the pumps? You tell the plumbers to go and buy the. They are doing for you. You are dependent on that. एक third person पे आप dependent हो. आपको पता ही नहीं है. And this is what we did. We're trying to educate people कि आप pumps भी online ले सकते हो. And making that technology was not easy. It was an innovation. So, and he talk about Sundar Pichai talk about ourselves just because it was an innovative idea.
Indeed, sir. Sir, I must say that there is a lot to learn from you. But today we are short of time, and I don't want to take you much time. Sir, moving to my last question of this session, actually, I have a question is, what are the common mistakes do you think that entrepreneur make in his or her initial stage lead to their failure?
See, self-confidence is more important, and I've seen जो लोग confidence इतना ज़्यादा कर लेते हैं, they also do mistakes. कि नहीं, you should be in limit. Initial stages, self-confidence is very important. You should have that self-confidence, and they mix so many things. The focus is not there. We did the same mistake. Focus. What we did it. We to be big. In Pumpcart, we bring so many things in that. you know, अभी हम 3 स्टेट में ही हैं और सोच रहे हैं कि बाकी प्रोडक्ट्स भी ले आएं. It was not required. We should focus on this segment only, and we brought electronics and all other things also in that. But many entrepreneurs do like this. You know, their focus was not there. They should be focused. That mistake should not happen. You should be very focused, and you face your dream, chase your dreams. Dream के साथ slow and steady. You know that you always win the race. You will not fail in life. So focus is very important. If you're not focused, then you won't be successful.
All right, sir. It was really a very great answer, great advice from your side. And let me tell you, sir, I was listening you very carefully. And one thing which I have seen in all the things that you told us, what I have seen, you have told us what are the reasons of being successful entrepreneur, and what are the mistakes you have done in your life, which I have seen very rarely people do, and told all their mistakes.
No, you must appreciate your failures. Okay, you accept your failures. That's very important. I have seen the people who talk about they are successful, they create ego. Okay,
Correct,
those who accept their failures, they are the real successful people. So one should accept the failure, one should accept the mistakes.
Correct, sir. That is the thing I was seeing from past 30 minutes, that you have told what are the reasons of being a pump cart is very successful.
I never say I'm a successful entrepreneur. Yeah, I never say I'm successful entrepreneur. And you know, I have learned from a dad. You know, satisfaction is another name of death. Satisfaction is another name of death. When you feel you are successful, you get satisfied yourself. Yes, I'm done it. So then you are near the death. One should not be that feel they are successful. You see the example of Mukesh Ambani. His dreams are going big day by day. So many investment are coming to him. It happens, when you dream big, you have to kill other people. You can kill the competition. You can kill everything when your dreams big. Okay, so this is not comes in a 1 year, 2 year. Time will come when you can kill anyone. मुझे ऐसा भी लगता है कि he would be the next 10 years, he would be the richest person in the world. Down the line, how dreamy he is. This is really amazing. I follow that person. So we have such entrepreneurs in our country.
Standing on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone.